Hello stream. How is everyone today? Hello. Welcome to the stream. We're gonna be working on the programming language again today. And what are we doing today? Let me have a look. What are we doing today? Let's work on the if statement, and also I got a request to get file data. Still on the starting soon screen? Yes, I know, I haven't changed it. Here we go. Hello. Let's get to work on, first of all, reading from this file. Hello, Snappy, and hello, Tathia. Tathia? I don't know. I'm still very sorry. So, before we do anything, let's just set out some grammar rules for our if expression. So we're gonna have an if expression. That's gonna have the keyword of if. It's gonna have an expression, and then we're gonna have another keyword to go to. Actually, the T is good. It's fine, just T is good. What? Anyway, actually, let's discuss. Are we gonna have our if statements like if num equals 10, and then are we gonna have like a then and then end? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna do this, or are we gonna do something like if, and then we can have a. I might be a furry. You're right, Nick, sadly. T is just good. Okay. I'll call you T from now on then. So I think we should do something like if, then, do, and then like done, or fin for like finish. Or we could just do like how JavaScript does the if statements with the brackets. Okay, actually. Which one are we doing? We got 3 options. Option 3. Option 3. I do like this middle one though. I'm kind of vibing with the middle one. Option 2. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do option 2. Still have to be original. I don't... let's do this. So this is gonna be our goal for today. Getting something like this to run. Before I do that... Poll. No, don't worry about it. There's only like... How many people are in the stream right now, actually? Yeah, there's only 2 people currently, so... No need to. So that's going to be our goal. But before we do that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to get, instead of doing this while true, we're going to get process.argv. The process.argv is basically a built-in feature to Node.js. It is essentially all it is getting all of the arguments that you see in the console. So if we say node space dot, and then, I don't know, something else, we are going to take those arguments out. So, you know what, actually, I'm just gonna have a function called run file, and then have like the file name, and then we're gonna say run fs dot read file sync fn, and then utf-8. And we'll just say test/lang.uni. Obviously, we're gonna add in like extra error messages and stuff later, but for now, this should be good. So we no longer need prompt. We can just comment that out, and we're just gonna use fs equals to require. Yes, there we go. So now if we say node space dot, we got an error. Read file, I forgot an E. Oh, fn. Invalid count value. Just split it there and have that there. No, still invalid count value. So if I just go test, or as a string test, is that gonna... It still does it, why? fs.read file sync. Hold on, fs.read file sync fn encoding utf-8. What is fs? Fs stands for file system. It is a node package that you will use whenever reading files or writing files. It's very useful, and it's used a lot. Well, at least it's used a lot by Node.js users. Okay, still getting an error. Invalid count value. Oh, wait. Let's just go over to our Elixir. Actually, we can just do an index. Eggs. Okay. Console.log data. You know what, let's go into our Elixir and we'll just like, for now we will skip new lines. Okay, there we go. That was what our error was. So for now we'll skip new lines just so that we don't have to deal with that error. Okay, so that is working. Oh. You know what, actually... let's not do that. Yeah, I don't think we should do that right now. Yeah, we'll do that later, but currently we should just do the while true. I'm just gonna keep that in here for now. But I want to copy this. What's your opinion on uwu? Please stop saying that in my chat. Okay, I am not going to do file reading just yet for the one reason of having new lines will come later on, but right now we should just have this. Sorry, I just don't really want a spam of uwus. If expression, and then we'll have the keyword do. Then we'll have keyword, keyword else, or elif, expression. Hi bro, hello, welcome to the stream. Or the keyword, followed by the keyword do, and then another expression. And then otherwise we'll just have a keyword of else, expression. And that's not mandatory. Oh, do, and then we'll have an expression there as well. Okay, I think that's, actually we'll see how long we go for before I decide that what will be enough. So let's get started. Do after else. Oh, yes. Yes, that would also make sense. I don't know why I didn't do that. Oh wait, no. Because this is sorry. Just think that these two here. Think of these as something that could happen, but is not actually positively happening. Like, it could be this if statement on its own. Otherwise, it could have this. And then, otherwise, it could be this. But this right here is kind of just a replacement for this. So we wouldn't need to do this. So this is just like a switch out for that. You biggest vid has 6k views. Yes, I know. It is very shocking. I was not expecting anything like that. Yeah, let me just check. It does have 6k views. Jeez. Okay. Let's just get into it. I think the first thing that we're gonna do is add our keywords. Did I have a... Five people watching? Yes, I saw that as well. I'm gonna get some water, be right back. Okay. Okay, let's add some more. Let's add some more keywords. Okay, so that's gonna be inside of our token. Our keywords are going to be... Hola! Hello Storm, how are you? Okay, so our keywords are going to be... if... do... else... or elif... else... fin. No! Storm, that word is not allowed. And I'm glad it auto-modded that for me. Okay, so there's nothing that we really need to do to our elixir. I guess we're gonna need a new node. So our node is going... We're gonna add another node. This node is gonna be called the if node. So we'll just say module.exports equals class. Welcome back. Class equals if node. $6K? Wow, that was the first video of yours that I saw, so maybe the YouTube algorithm liked it for some reason. Yeah, like, it's really just being like, I don't know what to say to that. It's insane. Because I didn't have that when I did when I previously streamed. Or not streamed, when I previously did videos. None of my videos ever got that many views. Okay, so first we're going to say self.cases equals cases, and self.else case equals to the else case. The output start to this.cases 0.0.pause start, and you'll see why it's 0.0 soon. So pause end is going to equal to this.else case, or oh my gosh, welcome back to the stream. Hello, welcome Rajan. Sorry, I was meaning welcome to the person that I do not want to see. Let's report that. Welcome, Rajan. I don't know how to pronounce your name properly, but welcome. I hope I'm saying it right, is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, we're gonna say this, or yeah, this dot cases, and we'll get this dot causes dot lengths, since it's gonna be an array, -1, and then 0. And then we'll get the pos end of that. So I believe, so the causes is obviously going to be an array, so let's just get our params. So I guess I'll just do array causes and another param. And our else case is probably just going to be a node. Yeah. Okay, let's go into our parser. So to start off our parser, we need to create our if expression. So our if expression currently has the lowest, the lowest priority, which means it goes higher. We're going to say let res equals new parse result. We're also going to have cases, which is going to be an array, just an empty one, and then we're going to have an else case. Now our else case is going to be default to null for now. If not our current token dot matches token type keyword followed by the keyword if, then we're going to return res.failure, new invalid syntax error. I'll just get the current tokens pos start, as well as the pos end. And then we'll just say expected if. Then we'll just register an advancement, and then we'll advance. Advance. There we go. Yo, pass. Oh my god. We're gonna say let condition equals to res.register this.expression. And like always, we're going to see if we get an error. Because if we get an error, we're gonna return res. We'll say if not this dot current token dot matches. Actually, we can just copy and paste. Change the if to a do, and then we'll say we expected do. Then we'll register an advancement. Now we're gonna get an expression. So expression equals res.register this.expression. Then we can say cases. Did I say causes? I said causes. I'm sorry. It's cases. We're just gonna push another array, and it's gonna follow the condition and then the expression. And that is why in our if node we have this. That is why we have the cases here. So yeah, it is going to be a node array. So we have cases and then an else case. So our cases is going to be a two-dimensional array. Which, that's what that is, except that's not exactly how it works. Actually, we can just say instead of this, we can say array node. There we go. There you go, just like that. Okay, so if that meets the if that happens, then we can have this while loop here. Our current token matches the token type of a keyword and then elif. So if we have an else if statement, then we're gonna register an advancement so that we can skip that else if. We can now then get the condition, so condition. Or we can just set a new condition. Redefine it. Res.register. This.expression. If we have an error, we're gonna return the response. But if we don't get a do, then we're gonna give an error. Once again, we're going to skip that keyword after we find it. We're gonna redefine expression to res.register. This.expression. If res.error, return res. And then we'll say cases.push condition expression. Chill Rain, yes, by an amazing artist. You guys should go listen to him. His name is Tom Penn. Amazing. Okay, we're gonna get another one of these. But, oh. We're gonna get another one of these, but we're gonna take away this exclamation mark, because we just want to see if we do have an else. We'll register an advancement, then we'll advance. We'll set our else case to an expression, and then we'll see if we have an error. If so, once again, returning res. Otherwise, we're going to say res.success, new if node, cases, else node, else case. Oh, that reminds me, we should probably put the if node in here. If node require / if node. I think... No, that's not it. Back down. We want to go into the atom. So inside of the atom, we want to check if we are actually getting an if statement. So if our token matches token type of a keyword, if, then we'll say if expression equals res.register this.if expression. If res.error, return res. Otherwise, we're going to return res.success. If expression. Oh, if expression. No. The variable. I should probably have let there. Okay. That is our parser. There was something that I wanted to do. Actually, let me just check this real quick. Um... I think it's the fact that we need to check if we have at the end of our statement. So if we do not have a certain thing, which is, what was our keyword? Fin. If we do not have a fin at the end of our statement, then we're going to return an error saying expected fin. There we go. I think that's how parser done. Yeah, that's how parser done. Now we're going to go into our interpreter. Actually, let's see how long we've been streaming. Half an hour and we've basically already done if statements. Okay, that's not too bad. First things first, go into our value, and we're gonna add another function. That's gonna say is true. What this is gonna do is this is gonna return an illegal operation. I guess it's just gonna throw an error in that case, because we don't actually check if it has an other. No is true method defined. So let's go into our number, and we're going to override out is true method. Is true. Turn this dot value does not equal 0. So if it does not equal 0, then it's true. So our interpreter is as easy as just going in and creating another function. It's very simple. All we have to do, say visit if node, which once again is going to take in a node and our context. The node that we're taking in is the if node. The context, well, we already know the context. So let's go ahead and import the if node. If node. Why is this saying this is a function? What is the if node? Wait, check Discord. I think I saw a problem. What do you mean? What do you mean you saw a problem? Is there a problem? What? I do not know what you're talking about. In the knotted function? What's the error? It had to do with the variable other, but I wasn't taking it in as a param. Oh, do you mean in the value? Ah, yes, that's also correct. Ah, I see. Thank you. No knotted method defined. No, there was another? Where? Because inside of my number class, I don't have it. Actually, let me take away this and just put it inside of my value class. That would probably be a better idea. There's another. Where? You got it. Oh. Okay, so it was in the value. It was in the value. You were in number, so I said another. Ah, no. I redid it in here. You fixed it now. Yes, I have. Okay. I lost track. What were we doing? Oh, code. Yes. If state. No, not if state. Yes, if statement. If node. Let's see here. I just want to quickly see. Oh no, it is the parser. Index here. Let's go into this file, and it does say that it is an if node. Okay, yes, that's correct. We go inside of the interpreter. Yeah, let me just dot slash parser slash node slash index. And I don't know why it's not giving us autocomplete. It's fine, don't really care. Okay. Let us see. So we're going to say, obviously we're going to have our res, which is a new RT result. Now we're going to have a for loop. Now this for loop is going to go through our conditions, because we need to see okay, let's just go node. Oh, that's not spelled. Node.cases.for each. C for case. We'll have condition equals C0, and followed by the expression, I believe, at least. Yes. Okay. So let condition value equals res.register this.visit condition context if res.error res if our condition value dot is true, then we'll set our expression value res.register this.visit expression context. That's the wrong one. Context, here we go. If res.error, return res. And then we can just say return res.success expression value. And then we'll see if our node has an else case. Set our else value equal res.register this.visit node.else case context, and then we'll say if res.error, return res, and we'll return res.success else value. Now if we don't get any of these, then we're just going to return res.success null. And I think with that we should have if statements. So let's say push num 10, and then we'll say if num equals 10, do, I don't know, num, we'll say push num2 is num plus 10. Then. Okay, never mind. Mistake. If node, we need to call else. Or no, we need to call super, not else. Sorry, I had something in my throat. So push num 10 not equals arrow. If num equals 10, do push num2 num plus 10 fin. Okay, but it expected fin. You know what? We will put fin on hold until we have files, or multiple lines rather. Okay, and we have an error. No visit no visit method defined. I need to set the name. This dot name. If node. I should really put that in the super method. That would probably be a better idea. Push num 10 if num equals 10, do push num2 num 2. We got another error. Cannot read property of null of two string. Okay, oh. Okay, let's see here. We are getting a number in response. Oh yeah, that's a bit of an error, isn't it? Probably just say var here. And then say break if expression value, then we'll do this. Okay, let's try this. A legal break statement. Ow. How's that an illegal break statement? It's in a for loop. Or a for each, I should say. It's not a for loop. Oh. Mick, I need to set the name. Also, Mick has flashbacks. Yeah. That is me. Illegal break statement, we'll say return, return, there you go. Yay! If statements are working! Oh, I did not mean to click that. Okay, so now we should be able to say... no, I don't know what I'm doing. We should be able to say num... No, we should be able to say if num is greater than 5, do push num2 equal or arrow 15. Expected do. What? What? Excuse me, what? If num greater or equal to 5, do push num2 15. Okay, I don't know why greater just didn't work. That's kind of odd, isn't it? How long have we been streaming? 51 minutes. Okay. Let me take a quick peek at what we're doing next. We are doing for and while loops. That's not too bad. I actually want to do that. So this, I think we're gonna do the for loops kind of like a, the basic for loop, like the basic programming language for loop, where it says for, and then it has a, an identifier, and then that identifier equals to an expression, followed by the keyword, followed by like another keyword like to, so it goes to one value to another, and then it can also possibly have a step count, so that how many it should increase by. I think we're gonna do that. But before we do that, I will be right back. Just enjoy the music. Okay, I am back. Hold on a second, just typing some messages. I am back. I'm sorry for that person, or that bot rather. I guess we can just continue. Let's do our for and while loops. So, our for expression is going to be, you should consider coding for the blockchain. Blockchain. Fat bag in there right now as we're heading to Web 3. I don't know if I really want to. I kind of would rather just do it for code for myself, and also the fact that they're probably looking for someone older than me. So yeah. Anyway, I'll message you about it later. Okay. Let's just do our keywords. The keyword for our for loop is obviously going to be for. Then we're going to take in an identifier, an arrow, an expression. Then we're going to have another keyword, and that's going to be keyword. That says world. Keyword. What should our keyword be? Maybe fix up the if statement. It's just a statement in general, it's not... That is coming from our parser. Here, let's see here. I bet this is coming from the pass function. Oh, it's not even coming from anywhere. Yeah. Yes, told you it was coming from our pass function, which means it could be really coming from anywhere. I do believe it is here. Equals equals, not equals, lesser than. For some reason, these two tokens don't want to be picked up. Let's see here. Let's see if our Lexa is actually lexing these tokens. So our make lesser and greater than, make lesser than, we're gonna just automatically set it to a letter. But if our current character, actually let's just, where is greater than? There's 2 GTE. Oh, maybe that's what I did. There are 2 GTEs. Oh! Well, thank you. I didn't even need to do anything. I just made a silly logic error, didn't I? Dang. Well, thank you. I did not even see that. Damn. Okay, well, that's the if statement fixed. If 10 is greater than 10, or if 10 is greater than 5, do push 10. Okay, that worked. Okay, so what should I... Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, what should our keyword be? So... Oh my god, I'm dying. Shush. What should our for loop look like? It's gonna look like for, and then it's gonna have like, 148 subs. Yes, I saw that. It's gonna say for we'll set it to, like, let's say 15. Are we gonna say like 216? Or like 220? 2 fin? I think we should do something like this, but instead of this to keyword, it should be like until. So for I is 20. So until I is 20, essentially. Yeah, I have 148 subs. I'm so close to 150. That's insane. Maybe a ... I think the until keyword is a good one. So we'll say until and then we'll have another expression. Then we'll say keyword. So this is optional. Keyword inc or increase. And we'll say expression, and then we'll have the keyword of do, and then our expression. Because in math, ... represents the range, I think. Yeah, but like, I don't really want to do dots, because that's gonna kind of not screw anything up necessarily, it's just gonna cause some sort of confusion. Besides, the keywords are better to understand. I like confusing syntax, but like, if you're new to programming, you should probably know what the keyword does. But until is good. Yeah, I'm not coming at you. I'm just saying that I prefer the until. Now the while expression is a little bit simpler than that. All it's gonna have is the keyword of while. I should probably just have one of these. A new line. Then it's gonna have an expression, and it's gonna have the keyword of do, and then another expression. Yeah, that's what the while is gonna do. So our while would look like while I is greater than 0, do fin. So once again, I don't think we have to do much for our Lexa. All we have to do is update our tokens. yeah, all we're gonna need to do is add those new tokens. So we're gonna have for, while, until, and ink. You guys want to know how to turn a phone into no thank you? I'd prefer it if you did not say that sort of stuff in my chat, please. Thank you. Okay. That out of the way, we can now work on our nodes. So the first node that we're gonna have is let's do the for node. For node.js. And I guess I can just copy the if node, because it's very simple. While node. So the while node is going to have... Oh my gosh. No. Whoa. Why? Why would you say that, Isaac? Dude, come on. Really? Oh my gosh. Nah, boss man said no. Don't call me this. Stop my girlfriend complaining. Okay, that's where I draw the line on that conversation. Well, we're gonna have a var name token. We're going to have a start value token node, an in value node, a step value node, and a body node. Now that's a lot of stuff. Line drawn. Yes, exactly. The band just... Okay. Okay then. Coding time. Thicker line. Okay, so these are all gonna be types node, and this is gonna be type token. Token. The token. There we go. We'll have our end value token, our step value token, and our body node. Oh, not token, they're nodes. I can speak English today. So we're gonna have our var name token for the position start, and for the position end, we'll have the body node. This isn't the while node, this is the for node. Why did I say while? There you go. And then we'll have the while node. This is where that is. While node. And for this, we're only gonna need two things. Our body node along with a condition node. So condition node. There we go. And before we move on, we need to just add it to our index. So for node require for node as well as while node require while node. Here we go. Time for our parser. Okay, for our parser, we are going to create some more expressions. So underneath our if expression, we're going to have the for expression. If our current token does not match the token type of a keyword that is not how you spell keyword, and then a for. Then we're gonna return res.failure, new invalid syntax error. This is the current token.pause start and pause int expected for. Okay. We'll register an advancement and then advance. If the current token.type is not equal to the token type of an identifier, can we eat food? Yeah, I'm not going to stop you from eating. If we don't have the token type of an identifier, then we'll just say we expected one. Expected identifier. Okay. Now we can say our var name is our current token, and then we can register res.register advancement, this advanced. If this current token.type does not equal to the token type of arrow, then we'll say we expected arrow. Otherwise, if we did get there, we're going to register an advancement. Now we can get our start value. Our start value is going to be res.register this.expression. And if we have an error, we'll return it there. Otherwise, we're going to take this. What was our keyword? It was until. Until we'll say res.register advancement. Then we'll have our end value, which is res.register this.expression. If res.error, return res. Okay, now this is an optional thing. This doesn't actually have to be found, but if it is found, then we do want something to happen. So if we have the increment keyword, if we get the increment keyword, then we're going to skip over it and then get our step values, or our inc value rather. Res.register this.expression. If res.error, return res. Otherwise, our inc value is equal to null. Now the reason why I put a var here is because now this keyword or this identifier can be accessed from anywhere in this function. It doesn't matter, as long as it's underneath where it's defined. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we want to check if we have the do keyword. Do, there we go. We will register an advancement, and we'll get our body, which is equal to res.register this.expression. If res.error, return res. Then we can say res.success new for node. We'll have our var name, start value, our end value, our end value, and then our body. I just realized this is like a code along. I mean, I guess I'll just let you be you. Let's say let res equal to a new pass result. This one is really simple. All we're gonna need is one of these, and we'll check if we have a while res.register advancement this.advance. Nope, this.advance. Let condition equals res.register this.expression. And then obviously we're gonna see if we have an error. Now that our condition is done, we can check for the do keyword. We will advance, and then we'll check for another expression. And I'll just call this body. Now if this is the case, then we'll return res.success new while node condition body. There. Okay. Inside of our atom, where we have defined our if, we can do the same for our for and while. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay. Do what you need to. Gonna rename some values so it is fitting, and that is our parser done. Okay, now it's all just in our interpreter. Oh no. I forgot to... Oh no, I forgot to... Oh, damn it. I forgot to put the episode 2 code separately from the episode 3. Oh, goodness. On the GitHub. I just started coding. I didn't remember to do that. Oh, no. Oh, damn it. Ah. I'm really upset about that. I'm just gonna have to say that it was a episode 2 and 3. Dang, that sucks, man. I'm just gonna have to... Let's just move on. Let's start off by saying visit for node. So let res equal new pass result. No new RT result. We'll get the start value, which is going to be res.register this.visit node.start value node, along with their context. If we have an error, we're going to return that. And you know what? I'm just going to copy this line. This is a great stream. Lies. That is most definitely a lie. Friday energy? Yeah. I can do my custom URL now. Let's go. My custom URL is now there. Ah, that's satisfying. We have a custom URL now. That's really cool. Let's see what's happening. If you want to be let's not do that. Okay, are you going to continue making the Terraria video stream series? Depends. Also, did you create another account just so you could reply to that video? Only so I could do that again. Because I know I made that offer to you. There's no way someone else just said that. Yeah, actually, let's have a look. Oh. Someone already did it before you anyway. Dang. I might. I don't know. Since this is by popular demand, I'm going to continue this series before I do anything else. Probably not every day. I may have to like throw in some other content, but for now, yes. Okay. Have our end value. Res.register this.visit node.end value node context. Whoops. Copied my YouTube URL. If node.step value node step value equals res.register this.visit node.step value node context. Otherwise, not our set value, our step value. Otherwise, our step value is just going to equal to a new number of 1. Because we do want a step value, and that's going to be 1. Okay, let's start. To actually do it, we're going to say I equals the start value dot value. Our step value dot value is greater or equal to 0. We'll say var condition equals to a function where I is lesser than end value dot value. Otherwise, it's going to be flipped. Then we'll say while condition context dot symbol table dot set node dot var name token dot value new number I plus equals to the step value, and then we'll say res.register this.visit this dot node.body node. Okay. Node.body node context, just like so. And actually, so we'll set our body node as our context. If res.error turn res hello nerdy, just as I wanted you. Add moderator, there you go. You are now a mod, nerdy. Then we'll just say return res.success null. The next one is the visit while node. Our node and our context. Set res equals a new RT result. We'll say while true, set condition equal res.register, no, res.register, this.visit. Big mistake, but I will take. Never mind. Just because you said big mistake. You are no longer a mod, I'm sorry. You really made me question my choices there. Desktop visit node.condition node context. JK. It's already gone, man. Damn it. Okay, Riz. If our condition is not true, then we will break. Otherwise, we'll just say res.register this.visit node.body node context. And finally, return res.success null. And that should be that. We should be able to do while and for loops. So let's just go ahead and say push, let's say push n equals, or arrow 10. While n is greater than 5, do n or push n minus 1. Okay, did I forget to... Okay, I didn't forget to do the names, but it's just saying cannot read properties of undefined reading name. A and D. Welcome A and D to the Discord, whoever you are. Welcome to the Discord, I guess. But what does it mean by, hey, it's me and smiley face. Welcome to the stream and to the Discord. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Been streaming for an hour and 40 minutes. But why is this not working? Let me have a look at my parser real quick. When we are doing a while. I am tired. Huh. Now let's just try the for loop for I is equal to 10 until 15 do push num1. What? Expected do. I am confused. Okay, that was wrong. I should probably redo this. For I equal to 10 until it is equal to 15. Got to go. I have. You gotta go. Yeah, I have class. I have to go. Goodbye. Cannot read properties of toString. Yes, sub is deaf important. Yes, it is. But, oh! 149. How else do you get big brain code and knowledge? Plenty of other YouTubers out there, but I do very appreciate it. But with that, I am afraid that I'm going to be calling that the end of the stream. I'm tired, but next time I will fix these errors. I don't know what's causing them, but I do not want to try and look for them right now. I am exhausted. I don't know if I'm going to be streaming tomorrow. I think I'm going to be playing Terraria. I don't know if like Storm is going to be streaming it or anything, but I don't think I will. But I will announce on my Discord that like Storm is streaming if he is, so that you guys can watch us play Terraria. And another thing is, my computer is the best, so it's gonna lag a lot if I try and stream it, so I don't think I'm gonna stream it. But with that, thank you for coming. I don't know how many subscribers we gained from this. What was I on? 144? So we gained five subscribers. That's not too bad. Thank you. That's sick, dude. Literally one more to 150, which is halfway to... Jeez, that's like... That's insane, because that means 50 more subscribers until I get to 200. That's insane. And it also means, like, what is it? 15 more subscribers until I pass Inferno. Yeah. Loving the series. Thank you. Unfortunately, you did just come at the time where I am ending the stream. So, I'm sorry. Welcome, and... good